Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's been a minute. It's been a very long time, actually. Been a pretty good amount of time. I'm back. I took a little break. I hope this is not too loud. I got a microphone. I'm upgrading for you guys. Joking. I'm upgrading the quality of the stream. But yeah, no, I took a little break. I mean, how long has it really been? It's been a month. It's not been that much time. Um, has it only been a month? I'm not gonna get down into the logistics like that, but it could have been a little bit more than a month or not. But I'm back. I mean, to be honest, I was just doing other things. I had a lot of family happen, like a lot of family come over. It was great. It was a great reset. Great recovery. Great time. Like no regrets. I am happy to just like be recording and like when you do something so consistently for such a long period of time, your brain naturally would like to be in that position. So that's what I'm doing. I'm back in that position. Um, Before I get into this, is there anything? Oh yeah, there's things. Okay, so first, I am on a performance account now. So, I have the $300,000 performance account. So we're gonna trade that. It's gonna be one trade per day. I'm gonna keep it slow and steady, and then everything will be done with you guys. So the graduation, increasing contract, taking more trades, growing the account. So that's the main goal right now. Just slow and steady. Like this is not like a week process, a 2 week process. We're talking about like a month, 2 month. That honestly, it's a 3 month process, like to get to that full profit goal on the account, which I mean theoretically is 21,000 USD, but since it's a legacy account, after your sixth payout, you don't really have like a max payout, but it could still I mean, Apex is great, but it's another prop form that can change its rules. You gotta be careful. Um, ooh, hey, I mean, I got my. How you doing, Parm? How's it going, man? Um, So yeah, let's get things right now. You're looking at my homepage. You're gonna start opening things. Um, but yeah, I mean, I've been working on the business and I mean YouTube. I'm working on the next episode, but everything is looking like I'm giving my time I need for it. No, of course I remember you. I remember you. Yeah, yeah. The name. How are you? Wow, it's been a long time. How are you? It's like I remember you came but you left. You came for a bit and you left. Am I not mistaken? Okay, let me open this. So I'm gonna open my charts and get everything ready, and then we're gonna break it down as usual. So yeah, feels good though. Especially to be on the performance count. Like that feels great. And why I didn't, yeah, that's a good question. So why I did not show my progress on the performance account was simply because I was just honestly not, I was just training, trying to get in the flow, like looking at the charts, nothing crazy. And I felt like, I wanted to do this more on my, just like more practice. And that's what I did. But then I felt like, this was some. I mean, I do have the video recording. I mean, I passed the account in 23 minutes, so that's great. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's get started then. Everything is ready. I will get started with. You remember Nishibanka? I mean, the names, I'm gonna be honest, names I wouldn't be able to remember, but I remember faces. I remember you. It's just like, it's not like, I remember everything. But I will actually ask you something because I'm curious since I got a new microphone. How do I, like, does my microphone sound good, too loud, too low? Is it clear or is it echoey? Just to know so I can improve it. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start with the 1 day and 1 week. As you can see, I mean, since it's been a minute, I left like I stopped trading like sometime in June-ish. So from there, we've really been consolidating. We had some manipulation, like buyers have held this area very well. The just been holding the 29,000s, and then we broke lower, had that liquidity sweep, and that's good. We haven't had something like that for a while. And you can see we came down with a good amount of momentum. But then you look at ES, and ES has just been surprisingly stronger. Like ES, I would say is a stronger asset right now to own, um, compared to NQ. So that's something too. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, I remember you guys. I remember. It was a good time, but I'm just surprised that you're on my stream. It's just interesting to see people after so long. But what about you? Where are you now? I mean, I think it's a good thing you left DPS. I mean, wait, you said you left before me. Did I now? So you stayed then? Because I remember you wanted to leave. I remember that for sure. Yeah. So here, this is the 1 hour and 4 hour. So really, the thing is, from yesterday we had that strong manipulation. But you can see just ES is just holding the gains really well. And like for example, you can just look at the charts. Like ES, we had that rally up, fair value gap. Fair value gap is being protected. A little bit of just a grind up, broke lower consolidation. But I mean, to be honest, we may get some momentum to the downside just to play this low volume node. I mean, and on NQ could play honestly could play some of these EMAs, the 200 EMA, or there might be a pretty significant response to the 200 EMA. But you can see what I'm trying to say is just that NQ has fully retraced most of its move from what day was that? From yesterday, right? I'm sorry, Tuesday. So that's pretty crazy. Um, and ES has been holding really good strength. So it's a good dynamic to pay attention to, you know, just to keep it on top of our head. Uh, And I know I don't have a lot of levels here yet, simply because I just want to see more areas be tested. Because right now I can't just add a line. Like this is a very clean push. And yeah, I'm in Canada. Okay, yeah, you're in Chandigarh. Oh yeah, Chandigarh. Yes, yes. I mean, I was in Chandigarh like maybe a year ago. Yeah, or maybe 2 years ago. No, 2 years ago. Sorry, 2 years ago. I was in Chandigarh 2 years ago. It was nice, but now I'm in Canada. I live in Canada though. Okay, so let's get to the 15-minute and 30-minute. So there's nothing I'm gonna really like spend much time here on. It's really just the fact that we're consolidating. That's nice to know, but we can see that we are consolidating. We did have a retest of that's the 100 EMA. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. Yes, it is the 100 EMA. And then on NQ, we're slowly grinding down, but buyers are responding nicely. And we did have a reaction to the 200 EMA. So overall, okay. Still more questions and more clues that we need. Yeah, I mean VIX on the other hand makes me want to be a little bit more cautious, simply because trading at a VIX of 15.86 is not the best. So for that sense, I want to be a little bit more careful, especially with like the way we've been trading, like, look at this. It's so weird. Like, for example, on the 31st of July, we had this, we spiked to almost 19 VIX, and then we had a huge jackknife down. And then again, same thing happened on Wednesday 5th. So I hope my microphone sounds good. It doesn't sound bad, or it's. I would just hope it's good quality, right? Because I did do an upgrade. I just want to make sure my microphone sounds good. Yeah. Okay. So let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute now. And now we can start looking at some setups. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I'll do that then. Okay. Just give me a sec. Zaki Bowman College, 2 year time flies. For sure. That's crazy. That's pretty crazy, man. I hope you like college though. What are you studying? Okay, so I just want to do a quick breakdown of the 5 minute. So 5 minute, there's nothing. I want to see how we react to yesterday's close, because we're coming in pretty bullishly aggressive, and on ES we're already in yesterday's range. So it would just be how we react to yesterday's value area low and point of control and all. Um, But on the 1 minute, I mean, it's just that we could see buyers, and I mean, buyers are trying, but sellers are. It looks like a grind fest, and it looks a little bit weak. I mean, CVD is strong, so we could actually just break out of this, but we gotta be a little bit careful. Okay, so now open this. Now we're good, and we can just sit here and observe what we wanna. Uh, yeah. Yes, it's good. SD college. Oh, that's cool. Nice, man. Good for you. What's the weather today? It better not be cloudy. Okay, no, it's good weather. So right now, just a game of patience. Want to see more clues, get more understanding. Thank you. I don't know if that's good or bad, but yeah, I mean, I kind of look the same. Yeah. Nice manipulation. Strong buying. I mean, honestly, front run of a Valley area low is on the table. But strong buying. I would be careful with that setup with that short. A nice breakout. Looking at the higher time frames, really just like on ES, it's the reaction to the Valley area low. I mean, and then on NQ, we're already reacting to yesterday's low, yesterday's range low. On the 4 hours, nothing significant yet. 1 hour, I mean, you're just basically testing the upper range. I mean, like because we have the pretty strong range here. It would be interesting to see would sellers step in, which I mean, with how we've been moving, likely. But we did have that liquidity sweep. Sellers did sweep a new low, so theoretically we could generate liquidity. So it's on the table, and CVD still looks very healthy. Okay, we're continuing to accelerate. Whoa, what is that? That's not good. Okay. Okay, so we're pushing nicely, but a little bit of exhaustion here. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised to see some sellers step in. I just a little bit of a reaction, a little bit of a low volume, no replayment on the table too. If I could just actually let me look at this edge. Okay, yeah, this could play. But I would theoretically like to let the low volume node play. So I would look at something like this. Acceleration through, break lower, accelerate to IB. And what time is the candle? I mean, we have point of control right there too. Where's I mean, with point of control flipping, but if we do break lower, we break lower. But with point of control flip like that higher and we break out, very strong buyer sign, very strong. That means I would look for longs. We're breaking out. So very okay. Good strength. Good strength for sure. Good strength. Okay. Now that breakdown. Oops. Low volume node still protected. Good sign. Give a little bit more time. The more you wait, the more the edge appears. Like the higher quality the edge appears. I'm 22 now, turning 23 in like 2 months. Yeah, it's like we're hunting for that low volume node. Okay. Manipulation, that's why I kept it a few ticks after the wick. There it is. Quick little win. That's it. Now we're done. So that was $1,200. A little bit of a slippage with commissions. It's okay. I mean, it's a great start. I'll take the win. Take a photo of the trade. Shoot. Yeah, I know I could. So yeah, basically, okay, now I'll just talk about the trade a little bit. Oh yeah, I realized I don't need to go away. I'm allowed 2 trades. I forgot. But I don't have to. 100%. I really don't have to. See how opportunities are, but I mean, as a quick little scalp, let's take a quick photo of the trade. But basically, I was looking for a low volume node refill, and that's exactly what played out after we cleared that wick. I mean, I think I should. Yeah, there it is. So you can see front part of the wick. I mean, I got filled pretty quickly. I think I got a little slipped on the entry, and then just quick flush to the wick test plus IB. Good play. Okay, nice manipulation. You would be glad to know I got my personal car last year for college. Guess the car. Ooh. Guess the car. That's a hard one. I mean, I don't know if I can. I'll turn 20 in September. Okay, cool. But I mean, I would ask for a little bit of a hint because at least tell me which country the car originated from, and then like give me two. Okay, I think I can use that enough. Just tell me where the car originated from, That's enough for me to have a pretty educated bet. Okay, there's liquidity lower. I would like to see if buyers use that as are those passive buyers or are those aggressive sellers waiting to be filled. So let's I mean passive sellers waiting to be filled. Let's see. I mean honestly, these are big moves. These are big moves, but right now just in the same area, nothing crazy. I mean, all we did is that we literally front run point of control, consolidated on yesterday's value area, and just slowly broke lower. And now we're just like kind of wiki, kind of like, I mean, I just see a lot of the market trying to give pain. If the market is trying to give pain, there's a lack of liquidity. And if there's a lack of liquidity, the market will do a little bit more spontaneous, quick sweeps. So dangerous, of course, especially if you get slipped on your stop loss. Yeah, there's liquidity at 490. I want to see if buyers show support there. At the end of the day, buyers are in control. If you look at the 5-minute chart, right, we had 3 bullish candles in a row, you know. So this could just be a retest. Okay, so you told me SUV British brand, rugged car off-roader. I'm gonna say it's either MG model. It could be an MG model, off-roader, Tata. I mean, no, Tata's Indian. It can't be Tata. Range Rover is possible. Range Rover is possible. Yeah, for sure. I know there's another British brand that is like Range Rovers. Defender. No, not Defender. I don't remember the name of it. An SUV off-roader. Yeah, British could be that. White Defender. Yeah, Defender. Yeah, and Defenders are great. I mean, great off-roading car. Great for Punjabis, especially in Chandigarh. You know what I miss? Gedi. Like, being in Chandigarh, everyone who does Gedi, that was good. Oh, look at that sweep. Very nice. That was a very nice sweep. But that's what I'm talking about. You got that liquidity sweep. You even made a new low. You definitely, like, whoever got filled here took a little bit of a hit. I got 36 sec girls college. That's good, Pat. That's good. I'm glad to hear. Looks like you're enjoying. Mm-hmm. Look at these sweeps. What did I say? I said this is exactly what we would see. And that's exactly what's happening. These sweeps. I'm definitely risk off right now. I might have to walk away with just one winner today, which is completely acceptable. Especially after what that candle just was. Like, what was that candle? So can you hear me from here? Am I still audible? Where do you live in Chandigarh? Sector 18. Sector 18A. I was in a good spot. I was near Sector 8. I was even near Punjab University. I was near Sukna Lake. Oh, really? That's cool. Yeah, I remember the that's a clinic. uh, yeah, 100%. When I come back, we can go for a giddy. It's been a while, and I'll definitely like to go in your defender. But yeah, of course, keep in contact. You're subscribed to me, so that's good. Thanks for subscribing, man. But I post once in a while, but you'll know when I'm in Chandigarh because I'll make a live stream about it. Random manipulation, close lower. Instagram I don't use. That's the thing. I'm very like I don't use Instagram or TikTok. I have an account, but I don't open it. Maybe once in a while I'll open it, but it's very like very infrequent. I use it. Very back to the top of the range. A lot of movement. There's nothing I can do right now but just wait. I would really just like to see some follow through in either direction. If sellers take advantage, I think it'll be cleaner because there's low volume nodes, there's zero prints. If we do trend higher, it's still not. We could pray yesterday's valley area. Okay, let's see how this plays out. We got a little bit of wall of liquidity at okay. Wow, okay, nice. Very nice. expanding nicely to the upside. Solid candle. Look at the reversal on this candle. We're gonna, I mean, I think buyers have this because the liquidity lower that I think it's being. When you see this liquidity lower, I've understood that it's becoming more of areas of support. It's to prevent sellers to break the floor. Yeah, no, this could easily retest there. Or not. I'll be a little bit safe. I'm not gonna look for more. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm done. Those are my 2 wins. Grateful. Good trades. Proud of my performance. The second trade was really just that buyers are showing so much strength. I love this, just the strength that was being shown. Positive CVD, constant liquidity being printed on Bookmap once buyers push. So it's a strong indicator that buyers had the momentum. So I just simply looked for a little quick trade into that level. I could have looked for a little bit more, but why? It's day 1 of the performance account. Now we have a little bit of wall of liquidity in front of us. Could be limiting, could not be, but I do not care because I am done. So I'm gonna log out. Let's look at that. So 2,300. So we're looking at around $400 off. So that's okay, reasonable. Very happy with that. Very good start. So I'm gonna call it locking the wins and get on my next activity. But what did you say? Zach, I want to. I heard 10. Okay, no, okay. I will say. Yeah. The thing is, I want to say it, but I will be honest. It's not good for me as it will affect my channel. So that's the only reason why I wouldn't say it. But if you said you text me on Instagram, I'll make it some time. I'll text you and we could call and I'll send you a little voice message. Okay. It was your favorite word. Oh, that's cool, man. Well, yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna close these things. I'll put the camera here. Another manipulation. Very good strength. But that's the good thing about the consistency rule is that even if there was great movement today, I mean, I'm incentive to walk away because if I do take another trade, I'm only pushing my like let's look at right now. I made $2,400. So by the consistency rule of 30%, that means I need to make $8,000 to claim my first profit. So I don't want to do that yet. Like let's say I take another trade. So what's 2,400? Add another 1,400 to that. That's 28. So 3,800. So 3,800. So now if I did take another trade, 3,800. Okay, but that's if I took another just 10-point trade. Okay, in that sense, it would be 3,800. Yeah, so 3,800 divided by 0.30 is 12,000. So I would need to make 12,000. So that's why you gotta ease off day by day. Consistency over intensity. You know, it's not a, I swear that's a title of my video. Consistency beats intensity. Yeah, small daily structure beats intensity. I was just like, why does that sound so familiar? Because it's the title of my video. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. It was great hanging out with you, and I enjoyed this. It was great because I took a really long break, so it felt good to come back. And honestly, I mean, I generally miss this. Just talking, even though and I'm glad you were here, Param. But usually it's zero, or sometimes some people come, but it feels good to have people around, but hopefully, that's the thing, right? Consistency, so that I can get more views and spread some knowledge that I've learned from trading, because it's a cool industry. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, so take care. Hope to see you guys. Hope to see Param again. And take care. Okay. Do you have a plan to return before this year end? Actually, that's kind of funny. I do have a plan. I might actually go to December to Chandigarh, so we could talk about that. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna head out. So peace, guys. Thanks for watching, and take care.